In today's video, I'm going to teach you to split and trim videos on Capcut PC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a clean cut at the perfect moment and remove any extra footage you don't need, all without affecting your original video file. First, open Capcut on your computer and import your video. You can do this by creating a new project and choosing your file from your folders, or by dragging the video straight into the media area and then onto the timeline. Once the clip is on the timeline, you'll be able to see its waveform and thumbnail frames, which makes it easier to navigate. Next, move the playhead, the vertical line on the timeline, to the exact spot where you want to make the cut. Play the video to find the right moment and pause just before or exactly on the frame you want. For better precision, zoom in on the timeline so each frame is easier to see, and use the left and right arrow keys to nudge the playhead frame by frame. This helps you land precisely where the action starts or ends, which is especially useful for cutting out pauses, mistakes, or dead space. When the playhead is in the right place, click the split button. You'll see your clip separate into two pieces right at that point. If you're trimming the start or end of your video, this single cut is all you need. Now, select the portion you don't want, the excess footage either before or after your split, and delete it. You can hit the delete key or use the on-screen delete option. Don't worry, this is non-destructive editing, which means your original file on your computer stays untouched. If you remove the wrong piece by accident, simply undo the action and try again. After deleting the extra section, you'll be left with only the part you want to keep. Play your timeline from a few seconds before the cut to confirm the edit looks and sounds smooth. If the audio jump feels abrupt, adjust your split a frame or two as needed until it flows naturally. That's all there is to it. Open Capcut and import your video, place the playhead where you want the cut, click split and delete the excess to trim. With just these simple steps, you can quickly clean up your footage and keep only the best moments. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined editing workflow in Capcut on PC.